Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we're going to go over the ultimate kitchen essentials for the first time shopping, whatever you need for your kitchen. Okay? So if you want to see how that's done, come on back. Okay? If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, thanks for stopping by. You know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell next to it, and you'll be here for all this good stuff. Okay? Now, it was just asked of me recently, if I were to build my kitchen out, what would I, really just kind of start with, just the basics. So I thought I would do this today. Put together just the kitchen basics, what I need, what I use, what I rely on, and just kind of go through it, real quick. So, just as a disclaimer, if you see anything here that you're like, oh, I should have that, or you'd like to buy, or something looks a little better than this or a little worse than that or whatever, I have set up Amazon links below, affiliate links. Okay, so if you click on the link, go buy the thing. I do get a very small percentage. I haven't seen no money off of it yet, and it's no extra cost to you, but I wanted to set them up so you have a place to go. So if you see something you need, or you think you might need it, it's there for you. Okay, so just getting that out of the way. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, come on back and we'll start going through all my kitchen essentials. All right, come on back. Okay, so we're back. First things first, I'm gonna show you the items, kind of hold it in my hand and show you what, and explain what I'm doing with this. But then, right here, I'll have a little cutout exactly of what. I'm trying to make this square. I don't know if that's working. So I'll have something right there so you can kind of see it kind of more close up. I shot it all on the counter here. Just see that, I just kind of was like digging through my drawers and the cupboards and all that stuff just to find these kind of essentials that I need. All right, you may have your favorite utensils or favorite cooking apparatus, whatever, and feel free to share that below. In the comment section, let me know what your favorite item is to use. But for me, these are the items that I can't get by without, and I can do more things with one thing than needing, two extra things. Now I got kitchen gadgets everywhere, anywhere around here, but these are the items that I can do pretty much everything with and make do with. Okay, so first thing we're gonna go through is knives and utensils. Okay, so we have a chef's knife here, an old 8-inch blade, works great. Okay, has good heft. It's from Cutco. I like using the Cutco brand. I know there's German, Woodstock, whatever's out there, but I'm a dude that's kind of on a budget. I'm not trying to buy $200 knives. Okay, so what I like to use though is this small slicing knife. It's a little serrated, but it's very sharp, and it has great balance for me. And you'll see it in all my videos and all my chopping. Okay, I have more control over this, and I feel more comfortable with it. So it's just like a 5.5-inch knife, and this is what I like using. Okay, obviously your choice. All right, so next thing we're gonna go through, just common kitchen utensils. Gotta have a wooden spoon, and I have a wooden scraper. Okay, you could use both for anything and everything, but I like the slotted spoon too, just in case I need to dig something out. And then if I need to dump something out with like sauce in it or whatever, I can just take the pan to it and push it out. So I have that. Gotta have a can opener. A lot of stuff I use is pretty fresh, so I'm not opening a lot of cans, but every once in a while, you've seen, I need to open cans. All right. So next thing, get yourself a good pair of tongs. All right. Some people like to use metal on the end, but I use a lot of non-stick cookware, so I need to use the rubber end. Okay, I do have metal ones for like the grill and all that, and for my cast iron, but I like these. Okay, and last but not least, a spatula. Gotta get in there, scrape from the mixing bowls, whatever. So get you one of those. Next, all right, we'll jump around a little bit. Measuring cups, teaspoon, all the way up to a 1/4 cup. Okay, these are all attached. Well, this one's not because it's not in the right spot. Oops. Okay, so these are all attached, so you know what you need, a teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever. Again, I use a lot of eyeball technique when I'm just kind of doing it, just because I've cooked so long that I kind of know, you know, a teaspoon from a tablespoon, so on and so forth. But you need to have something like this just to have, in case you want to do any baking or anything like that. Next, same thing, measuring cups. It starts with a 1/4 cup, it goes all the way to 2 cups. All right, for your dry ingredients. Cool. So you'll see that they all stack into each other. Great for storage. Okay. All right, guys. To go along with, you know, the measuring cups and all that stuff, I did kind of leave out the Pyrex measuring cups. I use these all the time. So I mean, they're self-explanatory cups, no doubt. All right. So we got those. Next thing, I always have these 2 cutting boards. Now these don't, you know, I use these quite a bit. You know, they get clean. I put them in the dishwasher so they get sterile. But you know, they show their wear a little bit, but they're good, sturdy, and I like using this big cutting board right here, just so you have a larger surface to cut on. Stuff doesn't go flying off. You know, usually stuff doesn't go flying off. Okay, so we got the cutting boards. Obviously, I'm a big fan of Pyrex, so I got the baking dishes. I got the 9x9, 9x13. Can't go wrong with using these glass Pyrex baking dishes. Okay? Some people like using the metal ones, but you do what you want to do. This is what I like to do, what I like to use. Okay, so next thing, a couple good cookie sheets. All right, non-stick. But even if they're non-stick, I like to put a little tin foil down on them. Again, these are well used. I use my stuff. Okay, I use my cooking utensils. I use my cooking apparatus. All right, I love to cook. All right, so there you go. Okay, next thing, get yourself a decent plate setting. All right, so this is just the Noritake brand. Again, links below. They're nice, they're sturdy, they're strong. I've dropped a couple of these and they haven't broke. You know, you have the regular cereal bowl style, little saucer, little bread plate, and then, you know, the regular large plate. You'll see me use it in all my videos from my plating. Okay? Can't forget about my UGG gloves. These are a lot easier to use to pull stuff out than regular pot holders. Okay? You get a good, you know, and then like binging with Babish, you get to do this. Turn it on, right? Okay? So it's easier to grab, you have more control of all your fingers, right? So get yourself an UGG glove, okay? They come in a 2-pack. Sometimes things are heavy, you need to use 2 hands. But you know, I'm pretty strong, so I use 1 hand. Sorry, you know, having fun. Okay, next thing, mixing bowls. Just mixing bowls, all right? I use these in all the things. Sometimes they're my mixing bowls, sometimes my throwaway bowls, sometimes they're prep bowl, marinade bowl, whatever. But you know what I love about them? They have the spout, they have the handle. Easier control when you're pouring out stuff. All right, let's go through pans now. All right, get yourself a cast iron skillet. You know, you see me use it in all my cooks. Well, not all my cooks, but a lot of the cooks. These are monsters. Okay, get one. Next thing, you can get by with 2 basic non-stick pans. All right, so you got the big one, and a little saute one. I use them for everything. I use this one for omelets too, for saute, whatever. So it's just a little 10-inch pan, it's a little 12-inch pan, 13-inch pan I think it is. All right. Again, you can use these things for multiple dishes. Okay. Think about it. You don't need to overload your kitchen. You don't need to overload your kitchen with a bunch of gadgets when you can, you know, get inventive, use your brain a little. So last things, we have 2 pots. Okay, we got the pasta pot, like I like to call it, the boiling pot. Okay, real deep, strong, sturdy, and then the sauce pot. Okay, again, you've seen me use it for multiple things. We could cook, you know, pasta sauce in it or whatever, but I've also put oil in it and fried, you know, my fish in it. Okay, multiple uses. Some people, you know, across the country, they don't have a lot of room. Okay, they don't have a lot of room in their place. Luckily, I have, you know, cupboards and countertop for days. But, you know, these are the basics. Okay, real simple, real easy stuff. You can live with that. You can figure out something anytime. But these are the items I like to use. I need to have them. Helps me get through my cooks on all the filming. So that's it. All right. These are my kitchen essentials. What you need to build your kitchen. Start that bottom layer of building. And that's it. Really, comment down below. Tell me your favorite thing. Am I missing something? You know, is there something in here that I'm just missing that is your essential item? Comment below, let me know. All right, that's it. No whiskey, no cigar. Obviously, we ain't taste testing anything tonight. I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for building your kitchen with CJ. Right on. Take care.